So Kale's playing in his sprinkler today. It's the 4th of July. It's cooler out today than normal for this time of year, so we decided not to go to the pool. Good job, Kale.
Do it again.
Little snakes? Well, go get them. He knows he doesn't have to like straddle it, doesn't he?
Hey, look, Kale, those two are stuck. Do you see the green and the pink one that are stuck? Go get them unstuck. Fix them.
Can you reach him and fix him?
No, on the other end.